vortex mad. 75% of the time we spent putting his chain back on. What's up guys, we're back on another video. This time we're at a proper place. We're at Sherwood Pines today. There's a lot of rated trails. Normally the videos that you've been seeing so far has been sort of just me exploring, and then I accidentally found that set of dirt jumps. Today I'm with Hayden. How you doing, Hayden, mate?
Alright.
Yeah, we're just gonna have a massive explore. We've not got a map for the place, but we're gonna try and work our way up from like blues and then greens. We're probably not even gonna do blues. Let's have a go, shall we?
Get it.
Left, yeah, left. Left. Hayden. Going left.
I was quite excited to get going today, and I completely forgot how to set up my GoPro. So it's in 4K, which is really nice looking, but the FOV is set to almost linear, which gives absolutely no sense of speed whatsoever. So some of these trails are absolutely bombing down, but it looks like I'm going at a snail pace. So just imagine in your head that I'm going at 1,000,000 miles an hour.
So Death Valley.
Today is also the day I test out my nuke-proof Evo pedals. These pedals have also given me a boost in confidence when riding, as my feet don't bounce off the pedals compared to the old generic ones. This is due to the adjustable pins on the pedals, which are incredibly sharp, as the back of my legs will testify.
There we go. Bumpy. Oh, very techy. Go left, go left.
Way more like it. Shame about this piece of because I went down that technical, it bashed it out.
Yeah. Go left, go left. Keep right, big log. Like this bit of trail would be mint if it was going in the opposite direction. So much hill climb. So we've been here for about an hour. We've gone down the same trail twice. And we've lost your chain like 4 times. 75% of the time we spent putting his chain back on, and we're already stopping for drinks. Right, so vegan sausage roll time. Go on, Hayden.
Stuffing in pastry.
Sausage roll review over. Chain escapade still not finished, but still we're not going to let it get us down. We're just going to find the trails and hit them.
Right, so I believe we're coming up to a trail right now. We're going to be hitting a bit of a red. Check on the right side, berm. Oh! Another stump. Whoa! Woo!
After getting our first sighting lap, we decided to hit the trail again, but this time a little bit quicker. At this point in the day, the wind starts picking up and the riding conditions start to worsen. The wind often is blowing directly towards us, slowing us down on the trails. It's also kicking up a lot of dust and visibility is starting to get a bit poor.
Right, we're at the top of Tornado Alley. Last time we had a few technical difficulties halfway through, we threw a chain, didn't we, again. But we're going to try and get this in one shot now. Let's go. Oh, that tech's mad. Oh, got the back end going. Little bit of take up the corner again. Flies in my mouth. Brake scrubbing. Give me a speed up around the corners. Hit the berms. Into the only climbing section of the park, yes. Oh yeah. Bumps. Oh, the speed up, second last corner, and we're out. Oh. So guys, thank you very much for watching. It's a different pace of video this time. Instead of just exploring around my local areas, we've gone to an actual bike park. We've explored some of the reds and some of the, I don't know if we hit any blacks, but some of the reds, like the Tornado Run, that was so fun. Apart from the bits with Hayden throwing a chain every 5 minutes. It's been pretty sick, and I hope you've enjoyed it too. If you enjoy this style of video more than my usual type, just let me know in the comment section down below. I really appreciate the viewing. I've been Milo, you've been the viewers. Take it easy.